The ability to work with date and time is a necessary skill for any analytics professional. In this video, I will try to explain the fundamentals of working with date-time data on Python. I have used the power consumption data from Kaggle, whose link I have shared in the description. Let's start. First, I will import pandas. Then I will load the data into data frame df. The data set has two columns, the start date which is in datetime format and the value which is in kilowatt hour. Now let's check the type of data. We can do that by creating df.info function. Here you can see the start date is an object which is basically string. It has to be converted to datetime first. We can do that using pandas.toDatetime function. It will take two arguments. The first one is the series which stores the data in the object format, and format which is the format of the data we have. So you can see the format is %d -%m %y space hour and minute, and we will store this information into the same variable start date. Again we will check the type of variable. So now you see the start date has been converted to datetime form. We can now extract the day, month and year from this date column. We can do that using the function strftime. So first we have to specify the column name on which we have to apply that function, and then we have to write dt. It will return and use dt to get the value of series at date time. Now we can write the strftime function. It will take the abbreviation of the component which we want to extract. In this case, I want to extract the day component. So we will give d. Restore this information into a new column day. Let's execute, and now we'll see. So a new column day has been created. Similarly, we can extract month, month name, year and hour from start date column. So for month the abbreviation is %m, for month name the abbreviation is %b, and for year the abbreviation is %y, and for hour the abbreviation is %h. Let's see. You can see new columns like month, month name, year and hour are created.